Welcome to NSTW 2024!
Of DOST, of course, the new innovation, the technology, we are supporting, especially now what the secretary is mentioning right now. No? But I'm more into innovation, I'm into more on green. I have an ordinance to plant millions of trees. That is more, I'm more into planting trees, environment preservation. So, of course, with the secretary, he's into that also, sa atong green environment. Yeah.
So what is your expectation with the NSTW that is right now here in Cagayan de Oro?
Actually, right now, kung sa director sana, wag na ako. Actually, teka, muna. Actually, I'm just invited to do the opening. They're more into the technology and innovation. Pero not me.
Sec Sancho, yung ilan po ang nakaplan natin ng mga innovation hubs for this year po, and is this funded na po ba sa 2025 GAA? Or are you hopeful po ba na at least siguro ma-increasean natin ang budget yung mga innovation hubs natin?
Thank you. Salamat sa iyong tanong. Alam mo, hindi na ako tatanungin. Well, the plan, as mentioned by our secretary, is to have at least one innovation hubs per province. So we are looking at 80 innovation hubs all over the country. Aside from that, kasi may phases of development. Aside from that, pag na-establish na natin yung agenda, magkakaroon tayo ng isang parang pinaka-center innovation hubs in the regions. So 80 plus 16, that is about 96. Now, currently, when we have launched the innovation hub about 2 months ago in Region 6, we have already invested, initially, 4.8 million. And next year, we see that the investment will be higher and triple and quadruple investment, because the instruction of the secretary is to have this in all the provinces. And that's why we need to curate our innovation hubs depending on the need of the province and depending on the needs of the regions. So 80 plus 16, that is 96. We hope that the 80 will be in the next year. Yung regional will be for 2026. Thank you.
Pero funded po siya sa GAA 2025 or ano po sort of funding po ito?
Well, marami kasi pwedeng pagkunan ng ating mga provincial and regional offices. Right now, the source of fund is under local GIA.
Okay.
But when we will, let's say, when we have established and it will be repurposed, pupuntuhan natin yun under our national GIA, under the Office of the Secretary.
So, we're hoping po na at least ma-fund ito by 2025 po ba 2026?
Yung sigurado na yung 2025. Well, hindi pa pala sigurado dahil dinidebate pa, may BICAM pa.
May BICAM pa po.
But, you know, it's there already. Yung 2026, for the big ones, na magkakaroon ng repurposing, it will be, of course, project proposal driven, and we intend to submit it under the Office of the Secretary for Funding.